Guys, if you're in crypto and you don't have a wallet outside of exchanges, you're playing a dangerous game. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Metamask, connect it to Ethereum, and add the base network so you can move like a pro in this space. Metamask. What is Metamask? Metamask is a decentralized wallet, meaning you control the keys, not the exchange. It lets you hold tokens, interact with dApps, decentralized applications, mint NFTs, buy meme coins, and more. It works as a browser extension and as a mobile app. Today, we're going to do the browser extension. Okay, I have Edge, but you can obviously use Chrome. I'm not going to use Chrome. I'm going to use the Edge, and we're going to set it up here. Okay. Step one, you want to go to metamask.io, or if you're in Google, if you want to do a Google search, just go Metamask. In my case for Edge, but you can also do it for Chrome, PC. As you can see, all these drop down. All right, so I'm going to do Edge, right? Metamask for Edge, and it'll pull up these results. Okay. The third one is metamask.io. That's the official website, okay, by the developer. Okay. You want to make sure that it's correct. You do not want to get scammed. You do not want to get phished. Okay, so we go here, metamask.io, and that's what it should look like. Browser extension, mobile app, web app. All right. In this video, we're gonna focus on the browser extension. Install MetaMask extension for your browser. This is the MetaMask logo, right? This little fox here. In my case, I'm gonna go to Edge, but obviously if you have Chrome or Firefox, Brave, Opera, whatever, okay, there it is. Okay, we're gonna go there. MetaMask extension. All right, I guess here, compatible with my browser, so we're gonna get it. This is gonna pop up. Add MetaMask to Microsoft Edge. That gives you kind of like a warning. We're gonna add the extension, right? And up here, you should see it adding to Microsoft Edge. There we go. MetaMask has been added to Microsoft Edge, and it says right here. See, let's get started. Okay, create wallet, import an existing one. Those are your two options right here. You got to agree to MetaMask terms. Go to create a new wallet if it's a new wallet. Okay, obviously if you're watching this video, you want to create a new wallet. All right, so hit that. It's gonna go through all this. We will use all this stuff. I'm just gonna say no thanks. You can agree. Okay, we'd like to gather basic usage and diagnostic data to improve MetaMask. Blah blah blah. This is just gonna be a burner one. I'm never gonna use this MetaMask. I'll even show you my seed phrases in this one, just so you get an idea of exactly what it looks like. Okay, if you're a scammer, you can get the seed phrase. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna burn this wallet, delete it right after I do this video. Right? Hopefully no scammers are watching. Anyways, let's keep going. So we're here. Say boom. Use this data. I could do no thanks. I can do agree. I'm gonna do no thanks. Create a password. Okay, let's create a password. It says it's weak. It still says it's weak. All right, you can see it right here. So I'm just gonna confirm it. What was it? Make sure they match. All right, I'm just gonna make up anything here. Let's see. Cool. Now they match. You can see that right here. I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Okay, and create a wallet. Secure your wallet. This is important right here. Okay, this is a secret recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase. Okay, your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. Okay, you're gonna write this stuff down. Okay, write down the seed phrase. Do not screenshot it. Do not save it in notes. Write it down on paper and keep it somewhere safe. If you lose this seed phrase, you lose access to your wallet. No one, not MetaMask, not me, no one can recover it for you. And listen, it's not just about losing it. Okay, if someone else gets your seed phrase, your wallet is done. It is cooked. They can drain your funds instantly, and there's no way to reverse it. Okay, keep that in mind. If it's ever compromised, you'll need to move your crypto to a new wallet immediately. Okay, so this is the most important part. Okay, remind me later, and I recommend to secure my wallet. Okay, write down your secret seed phrase. Write down, as you can see, it gives you a step by step. Okay, write down your 12-word secret recovery phrase and save it in a place that you trust and only you can access. Write down and store it in multiple secret places. Store in a safe deposit box. Make sure nobody is looking. True. Okay, so reveal secret recovery phrase. Boom, there it is. That's what it's gonna look like. All right. Copy to clipboard. That is not recommended. Again, you want to write it down. Okay. I'm actually gonna take the time to write this down because I think I'm gonna have to put it in the next prompt. Okay, so let's do this. This is something that you would never do again. Okay, let's see. Do magic at television. I'm gonna do this, and well, my editor will edit the time it takes to write this down. All right, I'm gonna write down the recovery phrase as fast as I can. It's okay. All right. So after you had this written down, and make sure that you do. Okay, make sure you know your password and everything, and hide your seed phrase. Next. Confirm secret recovery phrase. Okay, this is interesting. This one. In this case, I have to do number 3, 4, and 8. Okay, number 3 was network. Number 4 was regular. Number 8 was smoke. All right, confirm. Boom. Congratulations, your wallet is protected and ready to use. You can find your secret recovery phrase in settings, security, and privacy. Keep a reminder of your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe. If you lose it, no one can help you get it back. Even worse, you won't be able to access your wallet ever again. It's no joke. It's no joke. If you have money in here, the last thing you want to do is lose it, or worse. I mean, that's pretty much as bad as it gets, right? You lose it either by stupidity, not knowing your seed phrase or your password, or someone coming in and stealing all your stuff, guys. You don't want any of those, either of those, right? Again, never share your seed phrase. So let's see what this thing looks like. Your MetaMask install is complete. It took literal minutes. Okay, it was really quick. Your MetaMask install is complete. You can open your MetaMask by clicking on the extension and access your wallet with one click. Click browser extension icon to access it instantly. All right, your balance is aggregated. All right, this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see if it's in here. It would show up right here. Okay, as the little fox icon, this little icon right here. Okay, anyways, let's quickly look through this. Okay, it's when you open MetaMask for the first time, it connects by default to the Ethereum mainnet. You'll see your wallet address at the top right here. You can copy it to clipboard. Okay, right here. You can now receive Ethereum here or send it from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Okay, right here. And this is where you can do the different networks. Okay, this is interesting. You can now just add the networks. Previously, you had to go find the network information to add it manually. Okay, so right here, where you saw where it was right here on the left. All right, Ethereum is already added. You can edit it. Additional networks. Okay, add a custom network as well. All right. Here's all the main ones. I mean, Base, Binance, okay, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum. Okay, we'll go back to that. Here is where you can see the amount that's in your wallet in USD. You can hide that, put that there, put that back. Your portfolio. You can buy and sell. You can swap. You can bridge. You can send, receive. Okay, tokens. Right here. Tips for using a wallet. Adding tokens unlocks more ways to use Web3, MetaMask support, NFTs activity. Okay, that shows what's happened in your wallet, the movements. Okay, send, receive. Okay, let's say it's send. Address right here. You can send. Let's cancel that. Receive. Same thing. It gives you your address. Right. Copy. You can just copy the address right here, or you can use this QR code. Okay, pretty simple. Right up here are the different notifications, account details. Okay, boom, show private key, show secret recovery phrase. Okay, right up here on the 3 little dots on the far right. Okay, account details. You can view on Explorer. All right, that just opens up Etherscan and it shows what is in that wallet, what is in this address. Okay, Snap support, the different settings. Right, you can change the currency, the language, the theme. Right, advanced settings right here. All right, some of this stuff you'll want to adjust and change. Okay, but it's personal privacy. Reveal secret recovery phrase. Okay, basic functionality. You should really take the time to just kind of go through all of this stuff. Okay, you can add a custom network, right? Notifications, experimental. Okay, enable ad account snap. Right, and here's the about. It gives you the MetaMask version. Right, links, privacy, all that stuff. Visit the website, contact us. Okay, auto log timer sets the ideal time in minutes before MetaMask will be locked. Okay, export your data. Right, so that's kind of the main stuff here. Contacts, I've never used it for contacts. Right, all right, so let's go back here. Now let's add a network. Okay, we can do it manually. All right, and one more thing about the network, guys. All right, MetaMask only supports EVM compatible networks. This includes Ethereum, Base, Polygon, BNB, all of these nets, all these that we saw. Okay, Binance Smart Chain, amongst others, Avalanche, Arbitrum One. Okay, these are EVM compatible. Okay, if you want to use something like Solana, you'll notice that it's not here. Okay, MetaMask won't work. Solana uses a completely different blockchain architecture. For that, you'll need a wallet like Phantom or Solflare instead. Okay, if the network is Ethereum based, you're good. If not, MetaMask will not support it. So keep that in mind. If you're a very heavy user of Solana, then you'll want to take a look at Phantom. Phantom's a great wallet, similar type of thing. Okay, very similar. Obviously, it's just it's different. It's not MetaMask, it's Phantom, but you do it the same way. It gives you the keys. You follow the same prompts. Very similar. Okay. Just a different way it looks, and obviously on a different network. Phantom is a good wallet to have too. All right, so let's add. So here we go. Let's add Base, because let's face it, Base is the place. So add a network. You're adding this network to MetaMask and giving this site permission to use it. It gives you the currency symbol, Ethereum, ETH. Remember, Base is a layer 2 of Ethereum. The network URL. You can see the more details. This is the details that if you wanted to add it manually, you'd have to have these details. Where could you find these details? Simple, just doing a search the web. You'd say add Base network to my MetaMask. How to add CoinGecko. Okay, that's a trusted site. Okay, so you could go there, and it even tells you right here. Okay, how to add the network. Gives you the network, chain, currency symbol, all that stuff. Okay, pretty easy. Using Base docs, that's fine too. Base docs, MetaMask, Coin Ledger, right? You got to be real careful. You got to be real careful. Make sure base.org, okay, using Base docs, okay, that's fine. Just make sure everything is right, but it's right here. So I mean, this is from the browser, so we're good there. Anyways, thankfully MetaMask finally has done it this way, where you can just approve it, and it makes it so much easier. Now you have the Base network, okay, right? So now enable networks, Ethereum. You can toggle back and forth through that. Base, all right, same thing, right? You just have your different coins there, all right? And another thing, when you do put your tokens in here, they won't always just appear. You do have to add them as well. Okay, how can you do that? For example, we can go here to CoinMarketCap. Let's say you want to hold Miggles in your wallet. Let's say you hold Miggles in your wallet, Mr. Miggles. Boom. Right on CoinMarketCap, it's there. And you can see this little thing right here, right? Add to MetaMask. Or you can just copy that right there. We'll go back to the MetaMask tokens. Let's see, token marketplace. Right here. See on the far right, another three dots right here, just above where the price of your tokens are. See right here? Boom. Import tokens. All right. Search custom token. We can go to custom token, select network. We go to Base, token contract address. I just copied it from here. Right? Contract address, boom, copied, paste, and it should show up. Next. There it is. Next, import. And there it is, Mr. Miggles, okay? If, for example, you didn't do that step and say you sent yourself Mr. Miggles or you bought Mr. Miggles on a dApp like Uniswap, right? That's where you have to buy it, uniswap.org, right? And let's say you bought it, you connect your wallet, right? It doesn't show here. I wonder why. Well, you connect your wallet, okay? MetaMask, there it is, detected. And there's the little MetaMask extension that pops up. All right, we're gonna connect it. Right here, you're connected to Uniswap. So you bought Miggles, Mr. Miggles here, all right? And you bought it, but it doesn't show up on your MetaMask because you didn't put this in there. You didn't lose it or anything. It's still there, all right? have to just manually import the token and put it in, and it just show up with the amount of megals that you have. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Sometimes people forget to put their tokens in manually, and they're like, what the heck, did I lose it? No, more than likely you didn't. So just double check and keep that in mind. Okay, pretty easy, guys, pretty easy. This is MetaMask is how you connect to this. All right, and then you just disconnect. Here you disconnected. Here's something I just disconnected to Uniswap, right? An additional step that you should do is click here, go to all permissions. Okay, cool. Sometimes, right, it would still be connected, right? It would show here, and then that's where you get rid of the permissions here. Okay, you don't want to keep your stuff connected, just in case. It's just your money's in here, your portfolio's in here. You want to keep it as safe as possible, okay? Because people are always trying to get crypto, guys. Believe that. All right, and that's it. You now have a fully working MetaMask wallet connected to both Ethereum and Base. You're ready to receive tokens, use dApps, mint NFTs, buy meme coins, and just move smarter in crypto. If this video helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you have questions, in the next video, I'll show you how to send and receive crypto safely using your wallets. Cool, guys, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace.